Oraibh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn how to wish someone a happy Easter. Beannachtaí na Cásca. Happy Easter. And this is how it's said to one person. Beannachtaí na Cásca. Now let's take it slowly. Beannachtaí na Cásca. Repeat after me. Beannachtaí na Cásca. Now, let's learn how you'd say that to more than one person. Beannachtaí na Cásca or oraibh, depending on the dialect. Let's take it slowly. Beannachtaí na Cásca or oraibh. Beannachtaí na Cásca. Beannachtaí na Cásca. So repeat after me. Beannachtaí na Cásca oraibh. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.